Good morning, this is Neil Spate, Thurrock News. I say this every year, one of my favourite events is the Thurrock Beer and Cider Festival. It's about to get underway. At 12 o'clock the Mayor will be down here for the opening ceremony, pulling the first pint. Here being the Black Shots Leisure Centre, the Civic Hall, and unfortunately I have to be somewhere else for that, so I can't film that bit live, but as I say, I just thought I'd pop down. Simon here as we speak annually at the start of this event, and we've got the guys testing the beer. So good to be back, Simon.
Oh yeah, it's great to be back. 2024, here we are. We've got a beer team, everything's been set up. We come in pretty much Sunday evening and set a whole. You're actually just in luck because we're just doing a tap change. So
there you go.
We're hoping no one's going to get sprayed, but there's every possibility.
Well, yeah. Well, I shall watch that with joy, but I'll stand back even.
Yeah.
But no.
I mean,
but just to run through with what we've actually got. We've got well, everything's there, but
tap change.
Tap change. Well, watch the tap change just in case something happens. This is real. Hey, this is excitement for you. Nub News bringing you quality entertainment. It'll be a damn squib. You watch. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Oh look, it needs 3 of them.
Oh,
there you go. Well done, team.
Yeah, excellent. There you go, live. Yes, sorry.
Our opening times there from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 12 o'clock till 3 o'clock. And then what we do is we close so we can all have a little rest because we're all volunteers. And then we reopen again at 6 and we close at 11. On Saturday though, we're open from 12 o'clock till 7 p.m.
And there's entertainment Thursday, Friday and Saturday evenings?
So Thursday we've got a band on, Friday we've got an acoustic band and another band after them, and Saturday we've got 3 bands starting at 12 and finishing at 7.
Brilliant. I'll make all the links to the appropriate thing. There's already stories on Nub News, but all I can say, guys, I'll be down for a beer later on. But have a great festival, everybody, and thanks once again for everything you do.
It'll be good to see you all from Thurrock.